Hi guys, in this video you will learn two different ways to record voice instructions into your slides activities. If I had an activity for my students that I wanted to record instructions so that they can hear them as many times as they need, this is especially helpful for young students. I could do so in two different ways. The first way is you can go to the website onlinevoicerecorder.com, and once you are there, you can simply hit the record button to start recording. Hello boys and girls, in this activity you will type in the missing add-in that makes each equation true. You must type in each of the numbers inside of the blue squares you see on this activity. Then to stop the recording, you simply hit the stop button, and then you can check your recording by clicking play. Hello boys and girls, in this activity you will type in the missing add-in that makes each. Once you have your recording, all you have to do is click save. Then you will see that this recording will download at the bottom of your screen. Once you have the recording downloaded, all you have to do is upload it into your Drive, because the only way that you can add it into your Google Slides activities is by importing it from your Drive. So what I like to do to make it easy to upload it to my Drive is to split my screen in half. So I can do that by clicking the window button and the left arrow, and then I can click where my Drive is and open it up. Once I have it, I can then just simply grab the downloaded file at the bottom of my screen and drag it over into my Drive. Once I drop it in, you will see that it'll be uploaded in my Drive folder. Then I can simply bring it in by clicking the Insert menu, clicking Audio, and then you will see it'll pull up all the recordings that I currently have saved in my Drive. This is the only one I have so far, so all I have to do is click on it and select, and you will see that it'll insert as a speaker icon. Now you will see that on the right side, the audio format options menu opens up, and you can go through each of these options, but the most important one that you must decide is whether you want the instructions to start when the student clicks on the speaker icon, or if you want it to start automatically as soon as they open up this slide. Now you can go through the other options as well if you'd like, and you can even recolor the icon. Another thing you can do is maybe you want to change the icon from the speaker to maybe your Bitmoji or some other icon that your students will automatically recognize every time they get voice instructions in your slide. In order to do that, you can right click on the icon and then click on Replace Image. You will then upload from your computer or from your Drive or from anywhere else where you might have an icon already saved. You will see that this cute little avocado icon has uploaded, and maybe this is the one that I want to use every time my students access instructions on my slides activities. And so I will train them that whenever they see this cute little avocado, for them to click on it so that they can listen to the instructions. You can move it around, you can resize it, and just have it ready for when your students access your activity. The second way that you can include voice instructions into your slide activities is by installing this Record to Slides extension you see up here. In order to do this, search for Web Store and then click on the result that says Chrome Web Store. Once it opens, then you're going to search for Record to Slides extension. And as you can see, I have already added it, but on your side, you will see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Once you install it, if you don't see it at the top of your screen, you will have to click on the puzzle piece icon on the top right corner of your screen, look for the extension, and click on the pin next to it in order for it to move up to the top of your extension bar. Once you have it, you will see that it is very easy to use. All you have to do is click on the extension, and it'll prompt you to click on the camera next to the present button on your slides. And so here is the icon that you will have to click on. Once it opens, you will see something that looks like this. You might want to click on the three-dotted menu here just to make sure that the appropriate camera and microphone are selected in order for you to record. Now you can video record as well, or you can just record your voice. In this case, I have covered up my camera so that it'll only record my voice. All you have to do now is click on the green button to start recording the instructions. Hello boys and girls, in this activity you will have to fill in the missing add-in in each equation to make it true. Type in the add-in in the blue boxes you see on this activity. Once you're done, all you have to do is click the same button again to stop, and you can preview your recording by clicking the play button. Hello boys and girls, in this activity you will have to fill in the missing add-in in each equation. Once you have the recording ready to insert, all you have to do is click OK. It'll take a bit to show up on your screen, and it will take a little bit more to upload. So just give it a little bit of time while it uploads so that you're able to click on it and listen to it once inserted into your slides. You can resize it and place it wherever you'd like in order for your students to see it. And that is it. I hope that you find both of these tools useful in order to make it easier for your students to complete your slides activities. Thank you for watching.